Hi, my name is Shan and I'm from SL Software Solution, and today I'm going to demonstrate you how to use the PalmPOS device, and then we can subscribe to our PalmPOS. Okay, so first of all, after we log into our PalmPOS app, we can see this screen over here. So on top of the left section, okay, after you press the left tab, you can see this AutoCount OneSales page, and then you have to scroll down, okay, until the end. So at the bottom of it, you can see the OneSales Back End option. So we're going to press the OneSales Back End option, okay, let it load, and then we can see the login page. Okay, so if you register your PalmPOS using your phone number, so you should log in using your phone number also when it comes to the backend. So I log in with my phone number. Okay, at here I will enter my phone number, and then I will receive a OTP code also. Okay, so after that I'll just tick the remember me. So meaning to say, each and every time when you log into your backend, it doesn't have to insert your password. So if you want to insert your password every time you want to log into the backend, then you can tick the remember me. Okay, so now I press login. Okay, after I press the login, here I can see my list of companies. So let's say the company I want to subscribe to the PalmPOS is Shan Sanjay. So I'm going to swipe to the right hand side. After I swipe to the right hand side, I can see the setting button. So I'm going to press the Shan Sanjay, the setting button over there in the middle of the two buttons. Okay, I'm going to press the setting button. Okay, after that I can see this page over here. Okay, then you can scroll down until you see the point of sales section. My PalmPOS T01 is my terminal name, and then I can press subscribe. Okay, after you press subscribe, it will lead to this page. In this page you can add on users if you want, or you can change the duration, how much period you want to subscribe the PalmPOS. Let's say I want to subscribe for 24 months. Okay, I just put a 24 month, and then the accounting. If you want your PalmPOS to link with the cloud accounting, you can tick, but for now I don't want to link with my cloud accounting, so I just untick. So I just tick the point of sales only, and also you also can add on how much terminal you want to add lah. So each terminal have each subscription. So for now I just want only one terminal. After that I can press next and review. Okay, after I press next and review, I will lead to this page, and then you can press the show detail to check your monthly subscriptions. And after I check everything, now I tick this box, and then I just press confirm. Okay, after that I'll prompt this page, make payment. So I'm going to press the make payment. So after I press the make payment, I will redirect to the payment advice page, which is this lah. So you can edit your billing party name and so on. Okay, after that you can save and pay. So in the make payment section here, you can either pay on credit or debit card, online banking, or B2B online banking, or e-wallet lah. So you can choose an option, and then you can make a payment, and then you can press pay button over here. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching.